What if I told you that everything you thought you knew about your health might be controlled by bacteria you can't even see? No, it's not science fiction. It's your gut. Let me take you back to a moment I'll never forget. A close friend of mine suffered from chronic fatigue, bloating, mood swings, and no doctor could explain it. Until a simple stool test revealed a massive imbalance in her gut microbiome. Within weeks of changing her gut health, everything shifted. Energy came back. Skin cleared up. Anxiety reduced. We often think of the gut as just a digestive organ, but science now shows it could be the control center of our entire well-being, from our immune system to our mental health. So in today's video, we're diving into the real science and practical ways to repair, reset, and restore your gut health, once and for all. The gut microbiome is often referred to as our body's second brain. But what exactly is it? First, it's a bustling ecosystem made up of over 100 trillion bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms, mostly residing in your large intestine. These microbes aren't just passive passengers. They actively digest fiber, produce vitamins like B12 and K, regulate hormones, and even communicate with your brain via the gut-brain axis. Second, the diversity of these microbes matters more than you think. A 2018 study published in Nature showed that people with more diverse gut bacteria had lower rates of obesity, depression, and autoimmune diseases. Think of it like a rainforest: the more diverse, the more resilient. Third, the gut lining itself is protected by these microbes. When this barrier is compromised, a condition sometimes referred to as leaky gut, toxins and particles can enter the bloodstream, triggering chronic inflammation. This isn't just theory. Research from Harvard Medical School supports the link between gut permeability and systemic diseases like type 2 diabetes and IBS. Our bodies often whisper before they scream. And when your gut is off balance, it starts sending signals. One common sign is digestive issues, bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea. These may seem minor, but chronic discomfort often indicates an overgrowth of harmful bacteria or a lack of beneficial ones. According to a study in gastroenterology, over 70% of people with IBS also show microbial imbalances. Another sign? Unexpected food intolerances. If you suddenly react poorly to foods like dairy, gluten, or even certain fruits, it could be a symptom of dysbiosis, when bad bacteria outweigh the good. These microbes can produce gases and toxins that affect how your body reacts to food. Lastly, your mood might be trying to tell you something. The gut produces over 90% of the body's serotonin, a neurotransmitter linked to happiness and calm. A groundbreaking 2020 review in Frontiers in Psychiatry confirmed the gut-brain connection, linking poor gut health with anxiety, depression, and even brain fog. Repairing your gut isn't about quick fixes, it's about creating an environment where healing can begin. Start with removing inflammatory foods. This means cutting back on processed sugar, refined carbs, and artificial additives. These ingredients feed bad bacteria and weaken the gut lining. A 2019 clinical trial in Cell Metabolism found that even short-term consumption of ultra-processed foods disrupted microbiome balance significantly. Next, focus on gut-healing foods. Bone broth, fermented vegetables, and high-fiber fruits are excellent choices. They provide collagen, prebiotics, and beneficial bacteria. For example, sauerkraut contains lactobacillus, which has been shown to reduce symptoms of IBS in multiple trials. Supplements can also support the repair phase. L-glutamine, for instance, is an amino acid that strengthens the gut lining and supports immune function. A 2021 double-blind placebo study in Nutrients found that L-glutamine improved gut permeability and reduced inflammation markers in participants with leaky gut syndrome. Now that you've started repairing, it's time to reset your system by adopting gut-friendly habits that prevent damage and encourage growth. Prioritize sleep. It might seem unrelated, but sleep deprivation alters gut bacteria significantly. A 2022 study from the University of Chicago showed that just 2 nights of poor sleep disrupted microbial balance in healthy individuals. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. Manage stress. Chronic stress is one of the biggest enemies of gut health. It reduces blood flow to the gut, affects digestion, and alters microbial diversity. Practices like meditation, journaling, and breathwork have been scientifically shown to increase beneficial bacteria and decrease harmful species. Lastly, stop over-sanitizing everything. Yes, hygiene matters, but overuse of antibiotics, antibacterial products, and even hand sanitizers can strip your body of friendly microbes. Encourage natural microbial exposure through gardening, nature walks, or even owning a pet. A 2023 study in Microbiome Journal confirmed that pet owners had significantly higher microbiome diversity than non-owners. Restoration is all about sustainability, keeping your gut strong and adaptable for life. First, diversify your diet. Just like a garden needs different nutrients, your microbiome thrives on variety. Rotate your fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and protein sources regularly. The American Gut Project found that people who ate 30+ different plant foods weekly had far more microbial diversity than those who ate fewer than 10. Second, embrace fermented foods as a regular part of your routine. Yogurt with live cultures, kefir, kimchi, and kombucha naturally replenish the gut with probiotics. A study from Stanford University in 2021 showed that participants who consumed fermented foods daily had increased microbiota diversity and reduced inflammatory markers within 10 weeks. Third, move your body. Exercise has a direct impact on gut health, especially moderate-intensity movement. It increases gut motility, stimulates the vagus nerve, critical for gut-brain signaling, and even boosts populations of beneficial bacteria like Akkermansia, which is linked to fat metabolism. A 2020 trial published in Gut Journal confirmed that regular aerobic exercise improved gut diversity, even in sedentary adults. So whether you're just starting your gut health journey or trying to bounce back from years of imbalance, remember this: your gut is resilient. It knows how to heal, it knows how to thrive, it just needs the right support. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Healthosphere 360, and comment below with the one thing you'll start doing today to improve your gut health. Until next time, take care of your gut, and it'll take care of you.